Hi, my name is Isla Duran. I'm 11 years old and I'll be singing Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish.